In this video, I want to share with you how to make handmade rose soaps. These soaps are not only beautiful, but they're also perfect for all skin types. Additionally, they can represent an excellent job opportunity. Rose petals have anti-inflammatory properties that help soothe irritated, red, or inflamed skin. They contain vitamins E and C, which hydrate the skin and keep it soft. In addition, the scent of roses has a calming and relaxing effect on the body and mind. We'll use 2 tablespoons of rose petals to make a concentrated infusion. We add just 50 ml of hot water. And we're going to let them infuse for 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to use this crystal glycerin soap base, which has a neutral pH and doesn't contain parabens. In this case, it's plant-based and suitable for vegans. It's available on Mercado Libre or Amazon. You can also use any transparent glycerin soap base for this recipe. We need 500 grams. We cut the soap into cubes so it melts more evenly. We invite you to subscribe to our channel and also follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Before melting it, we're going to prepare the natural coloring. We put a teaspoon of pink mica pigment and 2 teaspoons of alcohol in a container. We mix it very well. And we set it aside to add it to the mixture later. We place the glycerin soap base over a double boiler to heat it gently. It's essential to avoid letting the glycerin reach temperatures that are too high, like boiling point, which is why we choose the double boiler method. Maria. Please let me know in the comments where you are watching from and how you found us. We strain the rose petal infusion. And we're only going to use 15 grams. We add it to the already melted glycerin base. You'll see that it makes a strange reaction. Don't worry, the color change doesn't affect the properties of the soap and it will give the final result a soft, amazing, marbled look. We add 2 grams of cocoa betaine. This will give it more lather. Now we add the mica colorant that we already have prepared. We mix it very well. We add 20 drops of rose essential oil. Rose essential oil is known for its deep moisturizing properties, which help keep the skin soft, supple, and well hydrated. It also promotes cell regeneration, which helps repair damaged skin and reduce the appearance of scars and marks. We add a teaspoon of cornstarch, which will contribute to the final appearance of the soap. Because of its ability to absorb moisture, cornstarch is useful for controlling excess oil on the skin. This can help prevent acne breakouts and keep the skin looking more balanced. We spray the mold with alcohol. We place some rose petals to decorate. And we fill the mold with the mixture. Then we spray alcohol to finish it off. We're going to let it sit for 2 to 3 hours and then we can unmold it. These soaps last 4 to 6 months. An important tip so that the petals don't stay at the bottom of the mold: the glycerin shouldn't be too hot. It should be somewhat thick when you pour it into the molds.